Okay, so today we're going to be replacing the keyboard on a Compaq R3000 Series computer. I found a lot of places online when I was trying to replace it that didn't really offer much help, and it's really, really simple. 3 screws, and you're done. First thing you want to do, close your laptop, make sure it's shut down normally. You've got your battery. Let's go ahead and take that out. Oh, there we go. So take your battery out, put it aside. All right, then we're going to take 3 screws out of the back side here. Let's see here. So let's get our trusty little Phillips screwdrivers that should not be magnetized. First screw, right here. 1, 2, 3 screws. So let's see. Let's unscrew this one real well. This one. And this one. Alright, I'm going to flip her over here to knock those screws out of there. All 3 on the first time. Sweet. Alright, so got those 3 screws out. Flip it back over. Open it up. And we're going to remove the hinge cover / keyboard access panel here. All you need is a little flat tip screwdriver or something. There's 2 clips. One is right here. Press in a little bit and pry up. And you might scratch up your keyboard a little bit there. Back over there. And there's one right here. Alright. And then we pull that out. Easy enough. 4 screws here. Go ahead and take those out. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't get easier than that, does it? Let's see. Well, if you get the screws all the way out. Alright. And then, tiny little screws, so try not to lose them. Like, I just knocked one down into the computer, of course. Let's see. But, alright. Then, there's a little, your ribbon cable here. There's a clip on here. You want to pull this clip back just a little bit. Slides right out. And there's your keyboard. And just replace it the exact opposite way. Slide that in there. Flip it over. Let's see. Flip it over. Slide that back in there. Close the clip on it. Replace screws. And you're done. It's that easy. Everybody comes to a point in their life where life just doesn't seem either worth dealing with or seems pretty tough to deal with. And I want to tell you that there is one way to make your life a lot better. That's to accept Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior. I just encourage you to find a church that preaches the Bible, the truth of the Bible, the whole Bible, and doesn't leave anything out. And I think if you go there, you'll find people who are real Christians, not just people going around saying that they're Christians and not living like it, because a lot of hypocrites out there, and I've been one myself before, but look to Jesus. He's the way, the truth, and the life.